Good afternoon, colleagues. Last month, we started our program of mentorship and master classes with myself, Dr. Albert Jeleni, and we have had an interesting time. But I also got a couple of questions that I thought, you know what, let me just provide some clarity why we are doing master classes in a way. Now, I usually get people asking me for a favor. Somebody will come to me and say, may you please introduce me to this person, a very important person, or can you connect me to this opportunity? And the truth is, colleagues, sometimes I hesitate, connecting you to those people or to those opportunities, not because I am a bad person or I am a cruel person, and not because I don't want to help, but often it's because I do not know you enough, or I don't even know enough about you to confidently vouch for you. Because the reason you are saying to me, I must connect you to somebody, you want me to actually vouch for you to that somebody. And in future, I hope you are taking a lesson. Before you ask me or anybody to connect you with so and so, just remember you are actually asking them to vouch for you. Now, not everyone will get a chance to interact with me or some other people that are in leadership. Some, even if I were to call them, they do not know what to say to me or what conversation we could actually make. So even if one was to reach out or they were to reach out to me, I will still not have an opportunity to know them enough, or even for them to know me enough. And really, that is the reason that I came up with the master classes and the mentorship platform. Then this master classes and the mentorship platform has got three purposes. Now, the first one, it's you learning how to master yourself and the surrounding. And that is critical before we connect you to any opportunity. Now, many people are constantly looking out for either resources, people who can work for them, people who can do things for them, but they're actually forgetting to deploy themselves as the most important tool that is needed to make sure that their business can actually run. And in these master classes, that's what we teach you, how to deploy yourself in your career or in your business or just in your life in such a way that your thinking, your discipline, your judgment, and how you position yourself is ready for the opportunities that you are actually looking for. And if you have not mastered that tool, that is, if you have not mastered yourself as yet, there's no amount of external connections or external support is going to compensate for that. Now, the second purpose I have got the master classes and this mentorship session is to create a platform where people are not only networked, but they are plugged. So most of you are networked. You have taken my business card. We connect. You can see what I do on my social media. You get to know where we are going and you get to be there. But are you really plugged? And what do I mean by being plugged? In a boardroom, in a meeting with very important person, what is the likelihood that your name will come up being recommended for an opportunity that will be presented on the table? Now, if our relationship has not gotten into that, it means that you are not plugged to me. You are just networked. Now, these platforms allows an opportunity that you become plugged to me. Meaning that at any point in time when I'm sitting with people that are very important, I'm likely to be able to say something about you. Now, what do I mean by being plugged? When you are actually plugged, it means that I understand what drives you. I understand your character. Remember, we are people who have got different things that drives us. We have got our own little madness here and there. I know those things. Because if I am going to put you on the table as a person who can do 1, 2, 3, I'm actually vouching for your reputation in that space. And there is no way I'm going to put someone on a deal if I cannot vouch for their reputation. Because in reality, and you must note this and write it down, in reality, deals are not made with companies. Deals are made with people. That is yourself and your reputation. That's why we make deals. If we cannot say much about you or your reputation, we are unlikely to be able to make a deal with you. So when someone asks me about you in the boardroom, the answer that I give you, the likelihood is that it's going to break or make it. And I want you to ask yourself now, whatever answer I will give in the boardroom, including an answer I do not know. I'm not talking about lying about you. I'm not talking about saying things that perhaps may be negative about you. Me just saying I do not know much about you. That on its own can be a deal breaker, or it can actually destroy your deal. So a reputation is built when someone credible can confidentially and confidently vouch for you. That's when you say you have got a reputation that makes you to be plugged. The third purpose we have got this mentorship session, colleagues, it's to help you shorten the journey in the wrong direction. You know, I've had people come to me, great ideas, great products, and they've walked miles. But whatever they have, unfortunately, there isn't much we can do with it. Now, I'll give a very practical example of something that just happened of late. Somebody came to me and said he has got avocados. You know, he wants to export them. Then I asked how were they planted. He said, no, he got seed somewhere and then he planted the avocados. And at that point in time, I just said, look, there's nothing we can do for you in the market because the product that you have is not consistent. They will not taste the same. And in the export space, they need to make sure that they taste the same. Now, I do not know how long it takes to grow an avocado tree, but it's not 3 months, it's not 6 months. So this person waited for years and patiently taking care of a tree that when he wants export market, you know, he cannot access that. And I would like to believe he went into that space because there are lots of export opportunities. So now in these master classes and mentorships, I get to understand exactly where you want to go, what you're working on, and I get to guide you to the right spaces. I also get you to prepare you for the opportunities that I know they are going to come, so that it becomes very easy for me to plug you in. Now, the master classes and the mentorship sessions exist to solve exactly these 3 problems: to develop strong individuals out of you, credible reputations, and properly positioned businesses. And that is critical. So that when we get opportunities or they arise, we're not just guessing if you are the right person or if we have the right people. I mean, I usually get lots of calls. We are looking for this, we are looking for that. And believe you, most of the time, I'll rather just keep quiet because if I refer somebody, I get to be shocked that they don't have an obvious thing that I actually thought they have. You know, I took it for granted when somebody comes and tells me that I am in the mining space. I am assuming that they understand that the most important thing is safety in the mining space. And either they will have a qualification along those lines or they have someone who has a qualification and along those lines. So please, I beg you, join us on our monthly mentorship and master classes. And these are not meant for you to choose one over the other. In actual fact, you're supposed to have both of them, do both. So we do the 2 sessions in a month. If anything, unless you know you have gone through the journey of self-mastery, is then that you can say you're going to do mentorship. In mentorship, when you come, I don't want you to come blank. In the masterclass, we prepare you and we even give you an assignment so that when you come to the mentorship class, we mentor you towards a specific direction. Now, our next masterclass is going to be on the 9th of March in the evening. And then the next mentorship is going to be on the 16th. So on the 9th, we provoke you, We unpack you, we open you up, we give you an assignment. On the 16th, when we do the mentorship, then we drive with you or drive you to a direction where you want to go, or rather to a direction where opportunities are actually guaranteed. So please do not miss that. It is an opportunity for you and me to build a relationship that allows me to stand for you as a leader. When people look at me, and usually they say my leader when they are calling me looking for 1, 2, 3. Unfortunately, I cannot lead somebody that I have not come to understand, who would understand the sign languages that I make, the silent gestures that I make, the silent coaching when we're sitting in different tables. It's very, very critical. And you can be sure that wherever I'm going to refer you to, or wherever you're going to go through my connections, they will still call me on the side and they will say, do you know this and that about this person? Or what do you know about this person? Without saying anything negative about you, my hesitation itself is just going to blacklist you. So let's take advantage of this mentorship and master classes and make sure that we go for 12 months. And I guarantee you, if we work together for this journey for 12 months, there is no way you will come out with nothing. Thank you very much and all the best.